Want to know the secret to blowing up on YouTube? It's all about shorts. These short, engaging videos are the key to capturing attention in a world where viewers' attention spans are getting shorter and shorter. These bite-sized videos are like rocket fuel for your channel. They are designed to be quick, catchy, and highly shareable, making them perfect for reaching a wider audience. They can take you from zero to hero in the blink of an eye. Imagine waking up to see your video has gone viral overnight, racking up thousands of views while you were asleep. We're talking thousands, even millions of views. The potential for exposure is enormous, and the best part is, anyone can do it. You don't need expensive equipment or a big budget. Ready to learn how? Let's dive in. First, focus on creating content that is engaging and relevant to your audience. Think about what will make them stop scrolling and watch your video. This isn't just about getting more views, it's about creating content that resonates with people and keeps them coming back for more. It's about building a community. When people feel connected to your content, they are more likely to engage with it, share it, and become loyal subscribers. Shorts help you connect with people who love the same things you do. They provide a platform for you to share your passions and interests with a like-minded audience. They give your channel a massive boost. Not only do they increase your views, but they also help you gain more subscribers and build a loyal fan base. Get ready to watch your subscriber count skyrocket. With the right strategy and a bit of creativity, you can turn your YouTube channel into a thriving community of engaged viewers. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating those shorts and take your channel to the next level. Think of shorts as your YouTube secret weapon. They're short, sweet, and incredibly powerful tools. Why? Because YouTube loves them so much. Seriously, the algorithm is practically begging you to create awesome shorts. When you post shorts, YouTube shares them everywhere. This means more people see your content, more people discover your channel, more people subscribe and become loyal fans. It's the easiest way to grow your audience fast. Let's talk about the YouTube algorithm. It's like a mysterious code that decides which videos get seen. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. The key to going viral is simple engagement. The more likes, comments, and shares your shorts get, the more YouTube promotes them. It's all about grabbing attention and keeping people hooked. The algorithm loves videos that people watch all the way to the end. So how do you make that happen? Keep reading. Now for the fun part, creating content. But what kind of content goes viral? The answer is simple: stuff people love. Think about what gets you excited, what makes you laugh, think, or feel inspired. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different formats like skits, tutorials, challenges, or behind-the-scenes peeks. The possibilities are endless. The most important thing is to be yourself and let your personality shine through. Section 5. First impressions matter. Mastering the 3-second hook. You've got 3 seconds. That's it. 3 seconds to capture someone's attention and convince them to keep watching. No pressure, right? The first few seconds of your short are crucial. They determine whether someone swipes up or sticks around for the ride. Start with a bang. Use a funny sound effect, a surprising visual, or ask a question that piques their curiosity. You want to create an instant connection and make them crave more. Remember, it's all about that initial spark. Section 6. Editing magic. Making your shorts pop. Editing is where the real magic happens. It's the stage where your raw footage transforms into a captivating masterpiece that can grab attention and keep viewers engaged from start to finish. It's how you transform raw footage into a captivating masterpiece. The process of editing allows you to refine your content, cut out unnecessary parts, and highlight the best moments. This is where you can truly shape the narrative and pacing of your video. Don't worry, you don't need fancy software or years of experience. Even beginners can create stunning videos with the right approach. There are plenty of user-friendly editing tools available that can help you achieve professional results without a steep learning curve. Keep it simple and focus on creating a dynamic flow. Start by organizing your clips in a logical sequence. Trim the excess footage and ensure each shot transitions smoothly to the next. The goal is to maintain a rhythm that keeps the viewer's attention. Use jump cuts to keep the energy high. Jump cuts are a great way to maintain a fast pace and add excitement to your video. They can help you condense time and keep the narrative moving forward without losing the viewer's interest. Add music and sound effects to enhance the mood. The right soundtrack can elevate your video, making it more engaging and emotionally resonant. Sound effects can also add depth and realism, drawing viewers further into the experience. Experiment with text overlays to highlight key points or add humor. Text can be a powerful tool to emphasize important information, provide context, or inject a bit of personality into your video. Play around with different fonts, colors, and animations to see what works best. Remember, the goal is to create a visually engaging experience that keeps viewers glued to the screen. Every element, from the cuts and transitions to the music and text, should work together to create a cohesive and compelling narrative. With practice and creativity, you can make your shorts truly pop and stand out in the crowded world of online video content. Section 7. Timing is everything. When to post for maximum impact. You've poured your heart and soul into creating an epic short. The content is engaging, the visuals are stunning, and the message is clear. But all of this effort can go unnoticed if you don't post it at the right time. Now, when's the best time to unleash it upon the world? Timing is crucial for maximizing your reach and engagement. Posting at the right moment can mean the difference between your video going viral or getting lost in the sea of content. Pay attention to when your audience is most active online. This means understanding their habits and routines. Are they more likely to be online in the morning, during lunch breaks, or in the evening? Experiment with posting at different times of day and days of the week. Try mornings, afternoons, and evenings, and see which times get the most engagement. Don't forget to consider weekends versus weekdays as well. Use YouTube Analytics to track your performance and see when your shorts are getting the most views. This tool is invaluable for understanding your audience's behavior. Look at the data to see patterns and trends. Once you find your sweet spot, stick to it. Consistency is key. Posting regularly at the times when your audience is most active will help build a loyal following. Remember, it's not just about creating great content, but also about delivering it at the right time. Set reminders and plan your content calendar in advance. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you never miss the optimal posting times. Engage with your audience when they are most active. Respond to comments, answer questions, and be part of the conversation. This will not only boost your engagement, but also strengthen your community. Continuously review your analytics and adjust your strategies as needed. The digital landscape is always changing, and staying adaptable is crucial for long-term success. Celebrate your milestones and learn from your experiences. Keep experimenting and innovating. The best time to post might change as your audience grows and evolves. Stay inspired and keep pushing the boundaries of your creativity. With the right timing, your content can reach new heights. So, take the time to understand your audience, plan strategically, and watch your impact grow. Happy posting! Section 8. Spark the conversation. Get people talking. Want to know the secret to keeping people engaged? Ask them questions. Encourage viewers to share their thoughts, opinions, and experiences in the comments section. This turns your short from a one-way broadcast into a two-way conversation. End your shorts with a clear call to action. Ask viewers to like, comment, subscribe, or check out your other content. The more you interact with your audience, the more invested they become. Section 9. Keep going and keep growing. Consistency is key. Here's the truth. Going viral takes time and effort. Don't expect overnight success. The key is to be consistent with your posting schedule. The more shorts you create, the better you'll get, and the more people you'll reach. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of content, editing styles, and posting times. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand what resonates with your audience. Remember, every successful YouTuber started right where you are now. Section 10. Ready, set, action. Your journey to viral success starts now. So, you've got the tools, the knowledge, and the inspiration. Now it's time to turn your viral dreams into a reality. Remember to have fun, be yourself, and never give up on your creative vision. Get out there, start creating, and watch your channel soar to new heights. I can't wait to see what you come up with. See you on the platform.